Now, why did that happen? And how did I do this in other ones? Yellow crab. Oh, it's stone type. That I changed the name because I was worried about that at some point. I'm no longer worried about that, but I need to get the right name. Hold on, reset. Let's do a one like this. Turn on the blue crab. Bass snare. And add the hi-hats. I want the yellow crab to be methodical more than it is now. So let's put this in the background. The timing's a little funky when you do that, but it's okay. Let's do a git commit. Okay, we're up and running. Now, and is methodical. So we're going to drop in some of the ideas from blue crab, like a stone index, into yellow crab. This is the stuff we need to pull out and put to yellow crab. Why is selected stones not complaining? Because there's a syntax problem. Let's get rid of that. And this should be small stones. Boom. Wait, did I screw something up? Choose next stone. What did I do? Oh, to do refactor to select next stone. So in yellow crab, we're overriding choose next stone, which means all we need to do is say that we can say bar stone and then return stone. That's fine. Oh, I need an undo button. Let's add some chaos. Also, I want the redstone to be more. Let's go to to-do.text. red crab depends on distance. Again. So if you look at the red crab now, red crab is random but lazy. It's currently random. It just picks a random stone. So let's go to game script, and we have legacy code that tells us pick next stone for red crab. I think I can just drop all of this in. Go back to game. Yeah, we have a stones variable, so we will keep this line, but we'll remove all of that. Are there any problems? There are problems. What's on this current stone is null. And instead of stone with red crab, we're going to say current stone. That's the refactor. The rest of this code, there, remember current stone already exists in parent class crab. Does it now? Why did I export that? Okay, so I don't need to declare it. I can just use it. Now the red crab should be lazy and random. So it occasionally jumps further, but mostly stays in the same place. Excellent. Let's play around with this with the red and blue crabs. Reset again. I want this to be kind of a clump. I want this to be kind of a clump, red and blue. And then I want a big old clump over here, just really clumped up. Let's add the yellow one. No, let's add the orange one. Yeah. I'm into this. Just gonna let this one roll for a bit. What happens if I speed up the tempo? Is it gonna like start being noticeably not very regular? Oh, that's kind of funny. Ah. This actually sounds pretty legit in terms of the timing. Maybe it's because it's fast, I can't tell when it's off. Let's add all the crabs. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Well, clearly the players should have a tempo slider available to them. Clearly the player deserves to have a tempo slider. Or a tempo plus and minus button. Let's make it a slider. Okay, I can code that. Oops. I need... tempo adjustment slider for user. Also, I'm done with make. Let's commit this. Not it. Git add dot status. Okay, that makes sense. What did I just do? Let's do a git diff cached. Added to do. Added. Okay. Red collab is add red. Oh, I also changed Yellowstone. Yellow is methodical and red is lazy. Okay. Red is lazy and red, let's say red crab. And yellow crab is methodical. Got it. We can close this for now. Add a tempo adjustment for user. That's the one we're going to do next. In a moment, I'll get to that. Okay, where am I going to put it? Come on, Godot. Are you telling me I can't click on things? It's the UI borked. There we go. That's weird. Let's Oh, we can put the tempo slider on the side. Do it that way. Cool. You just select this side and move it there a bit. That'll work. And now a UI is here. Let's add a, oops. I do not want to duplicate that. I want to add scroll node for UI section 3. And it's going to move to here and slide down to there. And now I'm going to add a V slider. V slider with inspector properties. Min value. So I have to think about what numbers I want to. I want to give it a BPM. So min value of 60 and let's go crazy. Max value of 400. Is that really that fast though? If I'm like subdividing, I don't actually know. Let it step by it's like 4. Value is gonna be 120 is maybe a little slow. Let's try 180. Now node drag ended, value changed, drag started, range changed. Yeah, we'll do this one. Connect, go down here to where it probably put it. That unready. I'm gonna call this tempo v slider. Unready var tempo v slider equals $sign tempo v slider with the path. Did I call it temp? We want tempo. Equals tempo v slider value. Now that value ranges from, what did I give it? 60 to 400. It represents feet PM. We get to time per beat, divide, and include 60 somewhere, question mark. If it's 60 BPM, then it's 1 second. If it's 120 BPM, then it's half a second. So it's this divided by 61 divided by var timer metronome rate time equals that. And now we're gonna make a, gosh, so much code. Some of that is not active right now. That's the metronome. We can go to the bottom now. Now, what is the property that I need? Dot wait time is metronome wait time. Boom. Let's try it. That's pretty fast. Let's add a methodical hi-hat. That's serious as fast as it goes. $400 is not fast enough, seems to me. I think we go twice as fast. We went faster. We go 1200? Okay, that's getting like nicely excessive. It's a good groove. Where are we? 30 minutes, 33 minutes in. Oh, I don't like the levels. Let's fix that. Okay, now you should be able to hear me clearly over the music stuff. And let's just see what it's like when it's way too slow. Yeah, that's like annoyingly slow. Let's give the yellow one a chance. Ha 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 ha. At that higher tempo, I think I could hear things being a little glitchy in terms of the rhythm not being totally consistent. Let me listen to it again. At this point, it's sort of just chaotic noise, but it's kind of fun. I have an idea for to-do.text. Also, make waves come by so that the rocks get washed away visually. How am I gonna, oh, that's gonna be a whole thing. Now what? Let's call that enough for this stream. I got some coding done. Goodbye, YouTube. Wait, let's make the git commit first.